Good morning, all of you. Now, question number 3.6, question number 2, word column will start today. First question says that Ritu can row 20 km downstream in 2 hours and 4 km upstream in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of current. So, let the speed of rowing be x km per hour. Speed I have taken x km per hour, and let the speed of current be y km per hour. Now, you know that when you are rowing a boat, suppose, and you are coming upstream means you are coming against the stream, obviously your speed will be less in that case. But when you go along the stream, that means you are going downstream, your speed will be more, because the stream will also help you to move down. Whereas when you are coming upside, against the speed you are against the stream you are moving, then obviously it will give some resistance to your speed, it will resist your speed. So that means the upstream speed will become x minus y, because it will get lower na. X you are going, y speed of current, so relative speed will be x minus y. And downstream, x is your speed, y is the speed of stream, so your total speed will increase, it will become x plus y. Now in downstream, 20 km is covered in 2 hours. So time equal to distance upon speed. Distance is 20, speed is x plus y, time is 2. On cross multiplying, we will get an equation. X plus y equal to 10. Now when you are coming up, you are taking 2 hours. Same time but only for 4 kilometers. So it will be 4 upon x minus y equal to 2. That means x minus y equal to 2. Solve equation number 1 and 2 to get the answer. Now next question is very important. It says that 2 women and 5 men together finish a work in 4 days, whereas 3 women and 6 men finish the work in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone and 1 man alone. So let the time taken by 1 man to finish the work is x days. Suppose 1 man finishes the work in x days and 1 woman finishes the work in y days. Now if I say one man finishes the work in x days, can you tell me how much work can be done in 1 day? 1 day's work will be 1 by x, na? 1 day's work will be 1 by x. Suppose you are completing a work in 2 days. Any work is completed by you in 2 days. So in 1 day, how much work you will cover? Half of that, 1 by 2. If you are doing a work in 3 days, in 1 day, how much work you will do? 1 by 3. So similarly, if a work is completed by 1 man in x days, so in 1 day, how much part of the work will be done? 1 by x. This is for 1 man. If 5 men are employed, the total work will be 5 upon x. Similarly, 1 day's women work will be 1 by y and 2 women's work will be 2 by y. Now the question says that 5 men and 2 women together complete the work in 4 days. So I have taken the total work they are doing in 4 days. So again in 1 day, how much work will be done? 1 upon 4. This is 1 day's work we are calculating. This equation is entirely for 1 day. So here also we have to calculate 1 day's work. Total work they are doing in 4 days. So in 1 day, how much work they will do? 1 by 4. Similarly, you will form the second equation. It will be 6 upon x, 3 upon y equal to 1 by 3. Then you put 1 by x as a, 1 by y as b. Then you simplify it.